What up, you guys? It's Jedi Mind Trick, man, and I'm here, man, to do this video. I'm kind of disappointed in myself for thinking of this, but it has to be done. All right. So in this recent One Piece chapter, we know that Sabo has the Mary Nomi, and we're all extremely hyped for those dragon combination attacks with the fire. Now we know this is just a what if because I have no hard evidence to support my claims, but this is just a what if. Now we know that Doflamingo makes devil fruits, mostly Zoan type devil fruits. Who's to say he hasn't made or he hasn't trying to expand and make paramecia type devil fruits? Who's to say the Mary Nomi that Sabo has was fake and its effects are temporary? You know what I'm saying? Like, who's to say? And who's to say that he won't be able to control Sabo like he said he was be able to control all of all of Kaido's men because he says he has like them under the mind control of the people that ate the devil fruit and stuff like that. Who's to say that Sabo won't become under Doflamingo's control once he finds out who ate the who ate the Mary Nomi? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I have no hard evidence to support this claim. But you know what I'm saying? Like, who's to say he's not expanding his variety of devil fruit types to Paramecius? You know, I mean, it could be, it could not be. You know what I'm saying? It could be what it is, like face value of what it is, or it could be just something like more in depth to it. You know, because how out of all people, how did Doflamingo be able to obtain the devil fruit, the Marinomi fruit? You got to think about something like that. Like, it's like a million other places. It's like so many other places the Marinoma could have reappeared to, you know. So I mean that's just something to think on. Like I don't even have a solution. Like, you know what I'm saying, I have no hard evidence to prove this right. I have no evidence to prove it wrong. You know what I'm saying? But until the next chapter at least, or until this arc is over, so I have nothing to really prove it right or wrong. That's just something for you guys to think about. But let me know what you think. Um, Feel free to comment your opinion. And like and sub to my channel, man, for more of these random videos. And I'll see you guys later.